Hello everyone, this is Vinay Kumar from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am here to discuss about a topic waterfall model. It's about software engineering. The waterfall model, a classic development approach. Waterfall model is a linear sequential approach to software development. So what is about waterfall model? What is the waterfall model? Sequential phases. The waterfall model is characterized by distinct sequential phases, linear progress. Each phase builds upon the previous one, moving forward in a linear fashion. This is the waterfall model and sequential phase and the linear progress. So, the phases of the waterfall model. What are the requirements and gatherings and analysis? Define project goals, user needs, and system functionalities. This is the waterfall model of phase 1. So, phase 2 is about design. Develop system architecture, data models, and user interfaces. This is about the phase 2 of waterfall model design. Phase 3 describes the implementation. Write code and build the software based on the designs. This is the phase 3 of the waterfall model. The phase 4 is about testing. Verify the software processes, meets the requirements and identify effects. This is the phase of waterfall model. Develop, deployment and maintenance and support. While coming to deployment, release the software to users in production environments. Maintenance and support, provide ongoing support, fix bugs and enhance the software. This is about the phase of the waterfall model. What are the requirements, gatherings, and analysis? Elicit user needs, understand the specific needs and expectations of users. These are the requirements, gathering, and analysis for elicit user needs. While coming to define system scope and create detailed specifications, determine the boundaries and functionalities of the software and create detailed specifications, document the requirements in a clear manner. So design, system architecture, data modeling. System architecture defines the overall structure and components of the software. Data modeling design the data structure and relationship within the system. User interface design create the user face elements and interactions. Implementations, coding. So what are the implementations? Coding, database integration, server setup. Coding, translate the design into work code. Database integration, connect the software to the database. Server setup, prepare the server infrastructure for deployment. Testing, unit testing, test individuals components of the software. Integration testing, how different components interact. System testing, test the complete software system. User acceptance testing. Deployment, build, release, installation, configuration, go live. Make the software accessible to the users. Configuration describes the configure the software for the production environment. Installation describes the install the software and production services. Build, release, prepare the software for release to users. Maintenance and support, bug fixes, address and resolves reported bugs or defect. Enhancements, implements new features or improvements based on user feedback. Security patches, apply security updates to protect against vulnerabilities.